Welcome back to Color and Canvas, and today I am reusing some old canvases and trying to do a bloom. So I am experimenting with a cell activator recipe. I'm still working on it. I'm trying to see whether we can get a bloom to happen without a whole bunch of fancy ingredients, like, different base coats and things. I want to see whether we can get it with our regular paint. So I'm using Floetrol and Minwax wood conditioner in the experimental recipe. I saw a similar recipe shared online, but I have not got consistent results with it using my regular paints. So when I get that recipe working every time, I will share it with you, but not quite yet. So what I used today was my regular paints, and actually for the base coat, it's the regular paints that I scraped up from the previous pours. So they have Floetrol, Gluol, and water in them. 50% Floetrol, 30% Gluol, 20% water. That is my pouring medium recipe. That light blue paint that you see, that's what is in there. And for later on, when you see the white is the cell activator, which is my Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Floetrol and the Minwax wood conditioner. And that is the one thing that has that in it, just the white, so as the cell activator. So anyways, sorry, the quality of the video is not so great because I recorded it for myself, just to make notes for myself as I go. When you're experimenting and trying different things, it's very, very easy to lose track when you kind of change it in the middle of a painting. So I describe the ingredients to myself as I go. You don't need to hear it because I did all kinds of crazy things on these videos. But this bloom turned out really pretty, and I wanted to show it to you. And I'm hoping that this cell activator recipe turns out to be good and consistent, and then I can share it with you later on. Anyways, please enjoy the creation of this pretty little blue bloom, and hopefully it's the first of many to come.